Play with it if you want. Girl, health alternative. I'm black. I'm from the South. The food will be seasoned. Girl, she not doing no carb keto, okay? Because she gonna eat a potato, okay? She gonna have bread, so that ain't a part of my ministry. Now, I ain't gonna be so foolish and fry some gizzards on my channel, and I'm talking about this is what I eat in a day to lose weight. Like, let's be for real, okay? It's 2024, new year, new you, new body, new party. Obviously, girl, we ain't spring chickens no more, okay? We cute, you know, summer, fall chickens, but girl, we ain't winter yet. It ain't time for the harvest, okay? Let me give this disclaimer. Some people I can draw inspiration from, but at the end of the day, we're not putting raisins in potato salad over here. We're not putting apples in collard greens, okay? Like, girl, what? When I said all my life I had to fight to get through that workout, but that's all right, reclaiming this body. Hi guys, Naturelle Bombshell here, and welcome to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to show you what I eat in a day to lose weight. Now, your girl has lost 60 pounds, okay? Girl, it's 2024, new year, new you, new body, new party, okay? So we get snatched. So if you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. On my channel, I talk about beauty, fashion, weight loss, dating as a plus size woman, and shaking and moving in these ATL streets, and obviously my recent weight loss. Now, disclaimer, I'm not a medical professional or nutritionist, so I'm just showing you what I do to get the goals that I want to achieve. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so before I show you what I eat, let me just give you a rundown of what I'm doing. Currently, I'm actually following Weight Watchers. I've lost 60 pounds, but I feel like, girl, this last 20-25 pounds, girl, it's giving me a run for my money. So I wanted to do something that can just kind of kick it up a notch, but I'm still, I still have some, I don't really want to say restrictions, but there are some things that I have eliminated from my diet. So if you didn't know, I did have fibroids. I had them removed. I'll do a video on that. But I don't do dairy as far as, like, you know, milk, cheese, you know, dairy products like that. I don't do red meat. I don't do pork. And when I do meat, I do the highest quality, like an organic type chicken or organic turkey, or I do fish or seafood. I've eliminated, like, or drastically reduced refined sugar and processed foods in my diet. So for the most part, I cook my food, or if I get something that is already made or already prepared, the ingredients are very clean, simple ingredients and whole food ingredients. So let's get into my breakfast. So this is an easy and delicious breakfast sandwich to make. I love making these. It is a bacon, egg, and avocado toasted breakfast sandwich. I use a quarter of avocado, 1 strip of turkey bacon, and comes out to one, well, actually probably like half or a third of scrambled eggs that I use. And I take a hash brown and use it as a side. And I'm also going to cut up an apple. And here I'm just showing you the brand of hash browns that I use. And then this is a Trader Joe's low carb bread. So guys, as you can see, I have my breakfast for this morning. I have a small cut up apple, a hash brown, and my bacon, egg, and avocado sandwich. So this will be my breakfast. Then I'll have some water, and we'll be back for my lunch. So for lunch, I'm making me a Greek Mediterranean inspired dish. I have some roasted chickpeas. I'm going to top it off with some roasted bell peppers and onions and veggies. I made me a cucumber and tomato salad and vinaigrette. And I'm going to have a side of hummus and lavash bread. Feel free to top this off with
chicken breast or a lean protein for 0 points. And I'm topping it off with this Trader Joe's dill dressing.
As you can see, I fixed me a Mediterranean. I usually fix in a bowl, but I don't have a bowl. They broke. That's the downside of having granite countertops. Like porcelain will crack in a minute. But yeah, so I have roasted chickpeas, roasted vegetables. I made a cucumber and tomato salad. So I'm only going to count the dressing, the hummus, and the pita, because everything else is 0 points. So I'll put it up on the screen what this comes out to, and keep in mind that I'm following Weight Watchers diabetic plan. I'm not diabetic, but I know it's a lower sugar, lower carb plan, so I try to follow that a little more, because I feel like, obviously, girl, we ain't spring chickens no more, okay? We cute, you know, summer, fall chickens, but girl, we ain't winter yet. It ain't time for the harvest, okay? But we are not spring chickens, so I feel like as I've gotten older, I feel like I just, you know, maybe am struggling with some maybe like insulin resistance, or just holding on to sugar when I have carbs. So this is a great option. I did not put any meat, so this is a plant-based meal. When I lost weight the first time, when I was going through my fibroid issue, I went plant-based. So I still use and love and incorporate a lot of those meals into what I eat now. So these are roasted chickpeas, roasted vegetables. I made a cucumber and tomato salad. So I'm only going to account for the dressing, the hummus, and the pita. Everything else is 0 points. And if you're following Weight Watchers, the turkey breast and chicken breast are 0 points as well. What else I want to say? Now, I follow the diabetic plan. I'm not diabetic, but I just know that's more lower sugar, lower carb program. Girl, she's not doing no carb keto, okay? Because she gonna eat a potato, okay? She gonna have bread, so that ain't a part of my ministry. I think that, yeah, just me sticking to maybe like lower sugar, lower carb, not no carb. I know it's a double negative, or not any carbs rather, but this will work. So this is the lunch. Sometimes even I do maybe like a 20 or 30 minute workout on my lunch. I'll do like a Grow with Joe workout, or maybe like even a stretch, and then if I do a stretch, then I'll just end up going to the gym, which is probably what I want to do. But yeah, girl, she about to get down up on this, okay? I'll see you all at dinner time.
Well, each exercise is designed to get your heart rate up to about 70 to 80%. And then while we are walking our way in between the intervals, it's going to bring it back down a little bit.
You know, the girl glisten a little bit. You know, I'm not really a heavy sweater unless I'm doing just like hard, intense workout. And plus, my house 68 degrees soon, because we keep it cool over here, okay? But I will say, if you are wanting a good workout cardio, girl, try that one. I burned 370 calories. My heart rate got up to was 145, and my average was 126. So cardio, girl. When I said all my life I had to fight to get through that workout, but that's all right, reclaiming this body. So now we're gonna make us some dinner, because it's 8 o'clock, and yeah, I don't want to have too late of a dinner. So let's go. Okay, so as you can see, workout done. Now we're about to get into this dinner. Girl, it's in the oven heating up, because I use the oven to heat up my food, or my air fryer. I don't use a microwave. And as I'm cooking dinner while it's heating up, let me get this disclaimer. Girl, I'm from the South, okay? And you can see I'm black. Now, some people I can draw inspiration from, but at the end of the day, we're not putting raisins in potato salad over here. We're not putting apples in collard greens, okay? Like, girl, what? But you know, so the food will be seasoned. The food will be good. And cause girl, now I ain't about to be so foolish. Like I said, I'm from the South. I ain't about to be so foolish and sit up here and be frying gizzards on my channel. Even though I want something right about now, but that's all right. Bring it back. But maybe I can find an alternative to it. But please believe if I do, it's going to be busting. Like, girl, she ain't over here doing no bland rice cakes with peanut butter. Like, if that's your Jewish, girl, have at it. But we season until we sneeze. Like, I don't even know what else to say. Like, this is, you know, how I eat. I make healthy alternatives. But like I said, the food will be busting. Yeah, let me show you my plate, then I'm gonna give you some tips. Girl, garlic shrimp, mashed potatoes and gravy, veggies, cornbread. Girl, healthy alternative. Shrimp, 0 points because I just use seasoning. No oil used. Mashed potatoes, 3 points. I didn't use any cream or butter. I used unsweetened cashew milk. To me, it has a creamier taste than almond milk, but you can use almond milk. Just make sure it's unsweetened and don't use vanilla. And I would say I use russet, but you can also, I would recommend you use the yellow potatoes because they already have like a natural buttery taste to them. So by the time you season with garlic, onion powder, and your herbs, girl, chef's kiss. And the gravy I used, now this is foolish, I ain't gonna lie. I use the brown packet gravy, but it's the one from Whole Foods. And but what I do is I saute vegetables like onions and mushrooms, and then I blend it up and saute it in with the gravy, so it kind of stretches it with vegetables. So it really only comes out to be a 1 to 2 point gravy. So right now we're at 5 points. And then the cornbread, I'm just going to count it as 3 points. No, I'll count it as 4. So there's 4, what I say, 2, 6, and 3. Yeah, so like 9 points. Like, this is chef's kiss for real. We're playing. I'm about to tear this up and drink my water. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. You've seen my breakfast, you've seen my lunch, and now my dinner. Also, I'm going to have some snacks. I usually keep them around like 10 points total, like 5 here, 5 there. So I probably have like a cookie or maybe like a 100 cal pack or something like that. I did make these vegan cookies, and I may show you that in another vlog, but they're really good too. And they were sugar-free, refined sugar-free. So I think that's all I want to show you. Yeah, well, thanks so much for watching, and make sure you stay tuned for more.